Hey guys, it's Barry again with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM radio out of an early Chrysler unit, out of an early Chrysler car. Not sure what make and model it's for, but if you have it, you'll know it. This comes from Dave in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. Dave's requested the internal FM conversion wired to the original connectors, which means only one speaker output. And so let's go ahead and fire it up and make sure it works. I got it set to AM at the moment, and hopefully there's still enough sunlight for the AM to be on the air.
Your K2A community calendar. I'm Marie Hart.
Okay, there's our AM. Check our tone control.
This is Jamie Foxx, and I want to help you take control of something.
Okay, now we're going to go to a FM, and we do that by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all of the buttons preset to stations in my area for a quick test.
Plus an all-night low, hungry.
Tory will come to market and develop.
That one was a little iffy. There we go. Alrighty, so that's it. There's just not that much to test on an AM FM radio that's wired to one speaker. There's no balance or fader. There's no Bluetooth or anything. Just make sure that it picks up this AM and FM and puts out sound. So that takes care of that. I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and my website is below. Please visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because now there's a whole lot of options when it comes to fixing the radio. So it's best to kind of review my catalog before calling. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Dave, for your business all the way from St. Clair Shores, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.